Sure. My name is Karthik Johari, Chief Marketing and Growth Officer at Nobel Hygiene. We are India's oldest and largest manufacturers of absorbent hygiene products, which is adult diapers, baby diapers. We're the category creators in adult diapers, and we have the largest Indian baby diaper brand in the country. So CMPL's been sort of a stand-in now. It's our third year of active participation, and it's a great place to get in touch with the industry, with all your peers, interact with a lot of consumers, especially from a B2B perspective, and really understand what their needs and requirements are. Helps us sort of course, increase business and stay in touch, but also in an intelligence manner helps us map out the next couple of years based on what people are asking for. What am I looking for? I think my team would be looking for a lot more business. I'm just usually excited to walk across all the floors and see what new innovations other manufacturers and brands have brought to India then. CMPL in one word would be expertise, I believe, because you have the very best of Indian manufacturers across a set number of industries under one single roof. So, if you're lucky enough and this is one of the industries that you do participate in, I couldn't think of a better platform where you can come and just do a crash course in understanding.